Well, just an update on the Tarbes bird. Here he is, he's made it back. Nice to see you, boy. Do you want to come in? Undo the trap. Come on then, son. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Yeah, you haven't had a lot of good food, have you? Out with the young hen though, eh? Come on, in you go. I'll walk you in. In there, that's it. You know where to go. Attaboy. Attaboy. Come on in. Let's walk him in. Come on, boy. In you go. That's it. Up you go. Come on, boy. There we go. You would open your box up. Here's his box. 21799. Well, he's back.